How to add video in Openshot. Want to build your timeline with multiple clips? Here's how to add video in Openshot the right way. First, open Openshot and look for the project files panel. You can drag and drop your video files directly into this space or click the plus icon to browse and import. Once your video appears in the project files, just drag it onto the timeline at the bottom. You can place it on track 1 or create a multi-layer project by stacking different videos on separate tracks. Want to trim the beginning or end? Click and drag the edges of your clip. Need to split it? Use a razor tool to cut it at any point. You can add multiple clips, rearrange them, and even overlay B-roll by dragging a video onto a higher track. What type of videos are you adding? Vlogs, tutorials, or cinematic scene? Let me know in the comments below. And once you have arranged everything, preview the sequence and export your finished project. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.